back to another video. So now we know the policy construction or the architecture of the policy. So before we configure any policies, so we have to make sure that the vSmart is in the vManage mode. If it is not in a vManage mode, then vManage cannot control the vSmart, then we cannot push the configuration because all the policies which we are going to create is we create on the vManage and we are going to push it to the vSmart. Alright, so first we will confirm that one because centralized policy will affect the whole of the SD-wan fabric and vSmart is the brain for it. So we have to make sure that we control it via the vManage and all the policies which we are going to push will be with the perspective of the vSmart. So that's why we have to make sure that vSmart is in the vManage mode, not in the CLI mode. So let me go back to the vManage. Login into the vManage. Let's go to the configuration device, go to the controller, and you see that vSmart is in the CLI mode. So let's go and create a template for it. So I will go to the configuration template, feature template. Now I will select vSmart. So I will select system. I'll say vSmart SYS, and I will not change anything because by default there is only one vSmart, so I will not change any of those things. Click on save. Next one again vSmart VPN. So I will select vSmart VPN 512 and here we will select VPN 0 or 512. So this is 512, so I will select VPN 512 and I will copy that 512 now, change it to 0 and I will edit that 0 and I will just select VPN 0 and the default gateway I will put on by default. I will make it as a globally because there is only one vSmart. So the next hop will be 20.1.1.254. Click on add and update. So now next will be two interfaces. One will be management, another one will be the transport. So I will select vSmart, select VPN interface Ethernet. This one will be vSmart ETH0. You will say no shut and ETH0. And here I will say device specific vSmart ETH0 IP address. Now here you have to make sure it is lowercase letter, otherwise you will run into error. So click on save. So let me copy that VETH0 and this one will be ETH1 and I will edit the ETH1 and I will change the interface name as ETH1 and this interface will be facing towards the transport, so definitely we have to tunnel it. So allow services will be all and I need the SSH and net config and click on up. So I think all the features are okay now. We do require two interfaces, two VPN and one system. That's all good. Let's go to the device, create a template, add vSmart in here. I will select vSmart device template. I will select system one next to VPN 0. That will be ETH1, VPN 512. That should be ETH0. Click on create. Now let's attach the vSmart to this template and let's provide the details one more time. That should be 150.1.7.22/24, 20.1.1.2/24. Hostname will be vSmart, system IP will be 200.0.2 and 200 is the site ID. So click on update, click on next, configure and let's wait to be pushed. So once the configuration is being successfully pushed, let's go ahead and verify in the device. Alright, that's successful. Let's go to the configuration, device, and controllers. And now you should see that our vSmart in the vManage mode. You can also make the vBond into the vManage mode, but I don't think that vBond plays much of a role after the authentication, so that should be fine. So we only interested in the vSmart because that's where we are going to push the policies. So I hope this was informative for you, and thank you.